Here we will write a program to check if a string entered starts with the specified word given by the user. So in comment line we will write it first. For this we will declare one method chk first word. Here I will declare three variables. One for accepting the string from the user, second for checking the string, next for finding the first word. Then I will accept the string from the user. I will accept it in S. Then I will accept the word that we want to check, that we will accept in chk string, and then we will use for each loop. It is for each character C in S, that is we will going to check character by character for first word. And this f string variable I will store the character. I will initialize this string and then we will check if C is equal to spacebar or C equal to /n or C equal to /t. That is, if the character is space or /n or /t, we will consider it as a word. And then we will check if, since it is character, we have to give single quote. And here we will check if f string dot trim, that is we will truncate the all spaces, is equal to chk string. That is, the entered word and the string that we have created from character, if it is same, we will print string start with entered word. Else we will print string not start with entered word. After checking this first word, we will break the loop. That is, no need to check remaining string. So we will break the loop. And in main method we will call this function. We will execute it. It will ask for string. I will enter welcome to home and I will enter the word welcome. It will print string starts with entered word. If I again execute, I will enter string welcome to home and I will enter the word home. It will print string not start with entered word.